Just a quick one to document the air quality anomaly during this snowstorm. I just looked at the radar, and it's interesting that there's no activity coming out of the Perth, Ontario origin of where we usually see that big radar pinwheel. Nothing going on. I don't see any EMF on the radar, but then I went to the air quality, and this is weird. This out here is all rain, and then up here is a band of snow, and it's headed northeast. And where is all this crappy air quality coming from in the middle of a snowstorm? Pretty weird.